Have you ever seen a giant bird of prey snatch a gazelle out of midair, or a pelican swallow a fish whole? If you haven't, you're in for a treat, because in this video, we're going to show you 30 of the most brutal moments of big beaks hunting animals. From hawks and eagles to pelicans and toucans, these birds have some of the most powerful beaks in the animal kingdom, and they use them to deadly effect, catching and killing prey of all sizes. In this video, you'll see big beaks taking down everything from snakes and lizards to rabbits and deer. There's even one clip of a toucan eating a live snake. Stalk is intent on looking for prey in the vastness of the water. They have the benefit of having long, powerful legs, which makes it simple for them to chase deep water prey. It finds its prey quite rapidly. The large eel was ingested. The enormous fresh fish was promptly attacked by the pelican, who was a voracious eater. The pelican is a crafty and agile bird. When it comes to catching and devouring fish, the blue heron searches for fish fast and readily in the water. The blue heron is nimble and flexible underwater, making quick leaps to hunt fish. It's hard to miss a picture of a hummingbird. The heron has a very distinctive shape, although many individuals would find it difficult to recognize other species of birds. Let's watch this video to see how vicious they can actually be despite appearing to be a peaceful species. This heron chose to hunt for a gopher. Like many other predators, the heron followed it before striking, which worked because the gopher wriggles while in the heron's grasp. The heron tries to shake it, which normally throws the victim off balance, and sometimes causes serious harm. After setting this little fellow down, then viciously picking it back up again a few times, the heron appears to be enjoying itself with it. This heron is ready to feast. It quickly swallows the gopher after sliding it down its throat. This gopher is only one of the day's 4 catches for the heron in this video, who is quite the hunter. You can see the heron preparing to pounce on the gopher. It waits until it is ready to strike, then releases itself. It raises its trophy and spends the following several seconds eating it. We can see how a heron consumes its food in this up-close shot. When it's time to swallow this creature, it grasps the dead gopher by the tip of its beak and gives it a vigorous shake. The gopher enters the hatch as soon as the heron throws its head back. The underwater shoe bell seeks for food effectively thanks to its lengthy legs. It has its attention focused on this slippery fish. Its distinctive beak can make a forceful and resolute grab since it is robust and sharp like a knife. It can swallow a fish after crushing it with a single powerful bite. If you are enjoying this video, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you're as excited as we are about this showdown. Your support keeps our content flying high. A termite mound has been found here by a mongo. The marabou stork, its foe, has also made an appearance. The massive herd of storks hunts for the baby mongo while the father mongoose is busy destroying termites. The mongo makes an effort to ward off its predators because they are not simple prey. The marabou stork stands barely 5 feet tall and has an 8.5 meter wingspan. Can the small mongo family hold these birds at bay for an extended period of time? Shrikes are frequently referred to as butcher birds. This is a really violent name, but once you see how they consume their prey, you'll understand how they came up with it. When a shrike is prepared to consume its prey, whether it be an insect, a tiny rodent, or even another bird, it will take it to a tree branch and locate a location to impale it. Once the prey is impaled, they start to devour it viciously. Let's look at this first video. A large gray shrike may be seen in it chowing down on a delicious, fresh meal. This shrike is perched on a limb covered in thorns, which is the ideal place for it to feed since, as you can see, it has a suitable place to impale the bird it has killed. The shrike can rip its victim apart when it is impaled without needing to use its feet or concern that it would move too much. Observe how the shrike is tearing at the dead bird's feathers with great force in an effort to get at the juicy inside of the prey. Although that may be a clever tactic for consuming smaller prey, you have to admit that it is scary. Before moving on, we have a question for you. What are your thoughts on shrikes and their unique hunting behavior? Do you find the way they impale and devour their prey fascinating or terrifying? Share your opinions in the comments below. The cobra is in its path, and the snake eagle is slowly attempting to catch it by the tail, though the cobra is a difficult prey to kill. In the end, the bird prevails. The snake in our thumbnail is being held by a snake eagle, which is showing the snake that it has no other option because it must eat even though it appears to be feeling sorry for it. In a park, an eagle and a snake cross paths. I have no idea what kind of park this is, and I believe I would like not to. For the kill, this brown snake eagle chases and pounces on a cobra. The eagle is enjoying a tasty breakfast treat while perched on a snake in the middle of the street. The incredibly hazardous black mamba bites the dust at the hands of another snake, this time at the hands of an eagle. In fact, the eagle is gulping the snake down whole. The carnivorous, aggressive seabird known as the skua. Penguins are fair game because these birds will feast on other species that dwell close to the ocean. In this video, a skua is seen pulling a baby penguin to an area that is free of obstructions, while another skua hovers nearby. When the penguin is eventually grabbed, the two skuas engage in a tug-of-war match in an effort to split this tasty meal. For a penguin's parents, a skua's self-assurance might be deadly. A skua won't hesitate to steal a penguin chick out from under the parent holding it. Just watch this video to see how swiftly a skua can swoop down and take off with a penguin chick, the adult penguin being left helpless. The skua in this video is quite the bully. It approached a small group of 3 penguin babies while they were waddling around and attacked them. The penguins resist and make an effort to be courageous, but the skua doesn't give a damn and continues to violently peck at them with its sharp beak. What a frightening bird right there. The shoebill stork measures about 90 centimeters in height and has a beak that is almost 25 centimeters long. It is one of the craftiest hunters, able to remain still while monitoring its target underwater before striking. Its strength is its patience. The shoebill stork will locate the target and then slowly approach a fish in the swamp, occasionally drawing the attention of other shoebill storks. However, patience is not always present, and occasionally it moves with deft feet and laser-like eyes. It quickly strikes a fish, and its perseverance pays off. The shoebill efficiently seeks for food underwater with the help of its lengthy legs. It's focused on this slippery fish now. It has a robust, distinctive beak that is sharp like a knife and a strong, resolute grip. With just one powerful bite, you can capture and crush a fish before consuming it. Some animals have the appearance of being constructed from various animal parts. For instance, the shoebill stork seems to have taken parts from several different animals, including pelicans, flamingos, and eagles, for its large beak, long legs, and head. The Great Lakes region of Africa is home to storks, who primarily consume fish, toads, and frogs. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.